I noticed a few errors in the previous video and just things I wanted to clear up in the code, so that's my intention in this video, is to just use it as like a supplementary information session to explain a few more things about how to code in MATLAB. So the one is, I realized here that this is actually just the area based on length, so based on diameter, so I can take that out. And then I can write another one. Another comment, say calculate final volume. Maybe I want to say V is A times L, just so that it's clear for someone reading this to see what's going on. So I've made it more comments, and that makes it easier to understand what's going on. Let me get rid of that. Okay, that's one thing I wanted to just clear up. The other was every time I run this program, it dumps all of the values into the command window, and that's a bit messy. I don't, because I'm defining the diameter, I don't necessarily have to print that out to the user. So I know that I can suppress information with the semicolon. So I'm going to do that. And MATLAB is smart, actually. It will flag this and say terminate statement with semicolon to suppress output. So it's actually telling me that if it can get annoying if I keep showing this information. So maybe I just want to find the final volume. Then I can comment out all of these calculations and then only report the final answer. So if I click now, then just cylinder volume comes up. One more thing I wanted to show was, I don't know if you realized in the previous videos, but I would write clear, comma CLC, and that just clears everything. So the clear command, clear, let's say I write 1 plus 2 in the command window, then the clear function in MATLAB just clears the variables. So it removes all of the variables from memory, so that I have a clean slate to work with. And then CLC clears the command window, so there's nothing left. So if I write the combination of clear and CLC, so I write clear CLC, then these are two instructions that I'm giving to MATLAB. I'm putting them in my script now, because when I run this program now, it will reset everything. The display will be clear, the variables will be clear, and it's like I'm starting fresh. So that's quite nice. We normally just put in clear and CLC at the top of all of our scripts to make sure that we've reset everything to a fresh slate. So let's save this now, and if I run it, then I just get my final volume, which is quite nice. I can change these numbers. Let's say I make this 3. What's the effect of a bigger diameter? Well, the volume goes to 24 as opposed to like 11, So now we're making little scripts that are answering our problems for us, and this is where we want to head to. So that's what I wanted to show in this video. It is very much like a supplementary thing to get a few ideas off my mind. But the important ones are clear, CLC, and the semicolons. When we put those in, we can start to make nice, pretty scripts.